How to deposit USDT on Tonkeeper wallet. So in order to deposit USDT on Tonkeeper wallet, what you need to do is first you just need to open up your application. Once you open up your application, you need to log into your account either by entering your credentials or your password, fingerprint, or anything that you are comfortable with. Once you've logged in, you will be taken to the home page, and under your home page you will see various options. Now you have two options in order to deposit USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet. So the first option is you can directly buy USDT. In order to do this, you have to just tap on the buy and sell button on the home page, and then you're going to see this type of pop-up in front of you where you're going to see the option of buy USDT. So you can simply choose any options under that. So for example, I'll be choosing MoonPay option. So these are the third-party providers that will be used in order to purchase the USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet. So simply choose any one of these among the services. So I'll be choosing MoonPay. Once you've chosen, I'll simply tap on Open MoonPay, which is on the bottom of your screen. Now once you do, you will be landed on the official website of MoonPay, where you have to provide these details. So over here you have just entered your USD, right? So enter your USD and then you can change your currency. Then you just have to tap on the drop arrow button, and after that in the search bar you need to search for your currency, and then you have to change your currency if you want to change. Then tap on the continue button in the bottom. Once you do this, you will be landed on the next page where it will ask you to enter your email address. So first you have to create your account on MoonPay. If you don't have, then you just need to create your account. Only then you will be able to get the payment options. So after creating your account, you just have to provide your payment method like your debit card or your credit card, Google Pay, or any other payment method that is available as per your country. Then you just have to conclude your payment, and in this way you'll be able to deposit USDT on your Tonkeeper. That's one way. And the second way is receiving it from any other wallet or exchanges that you have. So in order to do this, you just have to tap on the receive button, which will be on the home page. So simply tap on the receive button, then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy the address from there, and then you just have to open that particular exchange or that particular wallet in which you have your USDT. These were the two ways on how you can deposit your USDT on your Tonkeeper wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.